Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jotform Sign with Trello. This integration is incredibly useful because it allows you to automatically create Trello cards from your Jotform submissions, streamlining your workflow and ensuring that important form responses are tracked directly in your project management system. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're entering the correct email and password associated with your Jotform account. After logging in successfully, you'll be taken to your main dashboard where you can see all of your existing forms. From your dashboard, locate the form you want to integrate with Trello and select it. You'll see an Edit Form button associated with that form, so click on it to open the form editor. This is where you'll have access to all the customization and integration options for your chosen form. Once you're in the form editor, look toward the top of the page where you'll find several options. Click on the Settings button. This will open up a menu with various configuration options that allow you to modify how your form behaves and connects with other applications. In the Settings menu, click on Integrations. This section is where Jotform really shines, offering connections to hundreds of different apps and services. In the search field that appears, type Trello and click on it when it shows up in the results. This will open the Trello integration setup page. Now you'll need to authenticate your Trello account. Click the Authenticate button, which will redirect you to Trello's login page if you're not already signed in. Enter your Trello credentials to authorize Jotform to access your Trello boards. This step is essential because it establishes the secure connection between the two platforms, allowing data to flow seamlessly from your forms into your Trello workspace. After authentication is complete, you'll be brought back to the integration setup page. Here, choose Create a New Card as the action type. This tells Jotform that every time someone submits your form, a new card should automatically be created in Trello. Next, select your target Trello board from the drop-down menu. Think carefully about which board makes the most sense for the type of data you're collecting. For example, if you're collecting client information, you might want cards to appear in your client management board. Now comes the crucial step of mapping your form fields to card details. This is where you define which information from your form goes where in Trello. For instance, you might map the name field from your form to the card title in Trello and the lease term field to the card description. Take your time here to ensure that the right data ends up in the right place, as this mapping determines how useful your automatically created cards will be. Once you've finished mapping all the relevant fields, click Complete or Finish Setup to save the integration. The system will process your settings and confirm that the integration is now active. Give it a moment to finalize everything. Finally, to test your integration, click Send on your document, add the signer details, and send it out. Once someone completes and submits the form, a new card will automatically appear in your designated Trello board with all the mapped information populated correctly. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Jotform Sign with Trello, creating an automated workflow that saves you time and keeps your projects organized. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.